Get it. Get it. Get it. So it's Thanksgiving, and I'm here watching her make her food. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. So I have to come over here and cut her son's hair. Do your public know his name?
Yeah.
You say Fifey on camera? I'm over here to cut Fifey's Majesty's hair. Are you gonna get on camera at all?
I'm tore up.
I don't like this angle.
Hey y'all, look, extra tore up, y'all. Tore up.
But she's in here cooking. It's Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving to you and yours. By the time she uploads this, it's going to be
Next week.
Christmas, and
It's a good one, because you know it take a long time. You know, I haven't really been consistent like I should.
But yeah, we here. Happy Thanksgiving. I can't wait to eat and get the family on my nerves. Because I already know.
Hands is clean. Don't do it. Don't do it. Y'all, welcome to my channel. What y'all got going on? Listen. So today we got a lot going on. I'm going to my cousin's house. Y'all gonna see my outfit of the day. Y'all gonna get to meet more of my family. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. So.
What you doing right now, though?
I'm making me some mac and cheese, y'all.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna show y'all everything. I made some cakes. I made stewed beef. I made cabbage. And I made some candy yams. And we're gonna do some Hawaiian rolls, and I'm good.
What time did you start?
All that turkey and all that, not here.
What time
Sorry.
you started cooking?
I started last night.
So no turkey?
No.
No ham, honey glazed, syrup, cherries.
I don't want none of that. If it's not melody,
You don't want it. That's it. What traditions are you keep going from her though?
cakes. Gotta keep the cakes going. Cakes.
You ain't make no pies?
No. Ooh.
This cheese is for the macaroni?
Yeah, I'm for it.
Cheese for the macaroni, some beef stew. So that's your meat. You know, no turkey, no ham. That's the meat for the situation. Some cabbage. Some yams or sweet potato yams, right?
Yeah.
And that's in the oven. All right.
I wasn't playing. Y'all thought I was playing?
But why not a turkey tradition?
No.
Hey.
No turkey.
Y'all hear that? From the top, make it drop. That's some macaroni in the pot. Were you getting it from the dollar store?
Cake is extra old.
You gave me the old cat. Okay. Ooh.
What's up, y'all? So I am dressed. I am ready. I'm ready to go to my cousin's house, and I'm getting ready to leave out. I want to show you my outfit real quick and what I'm wearing. Of course, you know, I got my glasses on, got some earrings on, my necklace. I got my rings on, bracelets, and I got on some bracelets over here as well. These are my, I'll show you all. These are my Coach bracelets. Then I have, this is what I'm wearing. My denim jacket. This outfit I actually got from Nasty Gal. And I'm wearing my Pumas. Excuse my tree, y'all. So I'm wearing my Pumas in this outfit. I love it. I'm just going to be wearing my Coach bag. I don't plan on taking it off the cart anyway. So, yes, this is what I'm wearing. I got this jacket from Lane Bryant. It ties in the back. You can see it. So it ties in the back. I just kind of threw it on. It's kind of nice out here today for Thanksgiving. So I think it's like 69. But, yeah. I'll see y'all at my cousin's house. Oh, one thing. I want to show y'all my food. I finished cooking. And there's a cake. I already cut a piece of it. I made some stew. I made some cabbage. And some candied yams. And I made some mac and cheese. Yep. So I'll see y'all when I get to my cousin's house. Alrighty. What's like going on in here? Oh, there go the tree. The tree, y'all.
This is her. This is mine. Come over here, Jessica.
I just got nervous. Why you get nervous? I don't know. I was so good.
Exhibit A. Exhibit A.
No. Wait, start over.
Okay,
Start over.
Yeah,
Who's
start
the
over.
contest person?
So this is
Jessica.
Okay, go ahead.
Exhibit A.
Go ahead. Exhibit A. Don't drop it no more. Just
Okay.
wash it down. So
You need to smell some coffee to clear you.
What's another way to get this up?
Like that. He tasted it. One.
Wait a minute.
Oh, they got it. Just give me a piece, because if it's like that.
What's up?
Hold on, one more time.
It was like that. You want to heat it up and try it hot? That's what you got to do. A little bit. They get you the flavors right.
All right,
You
exactly.
don't know what to do because they good.
I got some technical shit going on.
He's like, I didn't know I was coming in to do this.
Right, on the side.
Trust the face.
Grandma, I know. They don't go.
Okay. Yeah. Martin Chillette.
All right, okay.
Okay.
All right, let's go. So I want
The bird sing.
Do I do the Kiki Shepherd? Do I do the? Nah.
Wait, first, before you give your decision, you gotta compliment both.
yeah.
Say like,
And say what's good about it. What's good about it. I want to know.
I'm not gonna lie. This one is, I like this one. I ain't gonna lie. This one got a little hit on it. I like the hit on it that it got. This one is a little, it's like
Little Caucasian.
Nah.
The shade of
I
it
didn't
all.
say that. Nah.
The shade of it all.
It's two different, but this one it's spicy. It got a little spiciness to it, a little hint of sweetness at the end of it. But this one got a little spice.
So which one you like?
Yeah, I like this.
He said the flavor.
Hey, what you want?
He said the flavor.
Right. You gotta say something.
Oh, it's over the body.
Can you pass the plate? Why do you make it the same time?
No, mine's asleep.
You take some on it out.
Get it. To you.
Joint out here. Who that?
It's my YouTube channel.
This how we do it. Niggas on this song right here.
Kanye or a Pretty Boy?
Kanye, Verdict,
So I call him.
Nayla, look for Nayla here. I dare you. I think from Philly or somewhere. Okay.
I got in trouble. We got in trouble.
You're gonna do it.
She said she gonna beat me.
Exactly. Party over.
Y'all, I am back at home. Y'all saw my crazy family. As the time, I am at home. Now I'm eating some more. I'm eating all in the camera. You just all in the camera, y'all. Anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating. Y'all, this is my plate. It's so bad, but it's so good. I'm about to tear this food up. Thank y'all for watching my vlog. I really appreciate y'all very, very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, share. I hope y'all had a great, great, wonderful Thanksgiving. I know I did. I had fun cooking in the kitchen. I just had so much fun. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.